What's the matter? Behold, new toolbox. Right, yes, the dumb idiot hurt himself again. Oh dear. We've had one like this before, haven't we?
Mm-hmm. Not what we want to do.
So this gets reused. Here she comes.
Set fire to your bench.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's out. That's out. Let's try this one more time. See if it's had a bit of. See if it's had a little bit of a chance to rethink its life decisions.
Is that hot?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Right. Last time on the first bike,
Yeah.
what we ended up doing was kind of getting a flat blade down there. This is hot, Trace.
Yeah.
It's hot down near my crutch. That's dangerous. Two very hot things together.
Oh God. Is that the disease?
The disease? What?
That's where you're gonna get move away from
Hey?
melted t-shirt.
Yeah. Oh, it's wiggling.
Wiggle it.
Just a little bit. Fucking problem is everything's hot. I don't know if I'll have a little look down there just to see what I'm doing. See where the cable goes.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see there's a flat slot there.
Yeah.
Right, so all I'm doing is put my screwdriver in there. Just wiggling it, letting that WD-40. There we go. Yeah, all right. Probably got half a turn. Here we go. It's coming. It's coming. Soon be out. Okay. Spring's a bit
Goosed.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the end of that cable there, that little rubber boot. Mm-hmm. That's damaged, so moisture's got in there at some point.
It's like you're a prune.
So my hands are going all pruny.
Working?
Nice, yeah. I'll order another set of choke and throttle cables anyway. But yeah, just for now, just to hold it so we don't lose it or anything. It's there. And yeah, it's working nicely. Yeah, nice in there. Top tip, just add a little bit of low strength thread lock. I've had one of these vibrate loose.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth.
I forgot you. You're sure.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the carbs all cleaned and put back together with all new components. You can get the little seals that go on the shafts. You get those from Yambits. From Yambits. You get those from Cullies. Everything else you get from Yambits. The only thing you can't get is the little air pilot at the front in there. So you just got to be very careful. You take them out and clean them and blow them out.
Well, I didn't see him anyway. Baby's barking.
Yeah, all right, no worries. Anyway, as I said, I wasn't going to do a video on carbs because we've done one before. This is just another little diary update. We're up to 59 hours on bike 2, about $10,500 worth of spare parts all fitted, and just waiting on the frame coming back. As for not bike 3, which is directly behind you, Tracy, but yeah, that one. As for bike number 4, potential number 4, which is really this engine.
As for the engine.
As for the the engine. That's bike 4. All right, but we had this list of parts. Okay, at the minute we're all good. All right, I think we've got everything that we need. Not physically here, but
Right, an engine. Start with an engine and go from there.
Start with an engine, and yeah, is it possible to build a complete bike? Well, we'll see in the new year. Because
in the very long distant new year.
Yeah, a couple of 3 months away at least.
Fuck.
4 months? 5 months?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Anyway, that's that.
When you come out of hospital.
Right, bye-bye.